The StrollAid Rollator Walker SR450 is designed to enhance the walking experience for seniors by providing improved support and stability, which is especially beneficial for those recovering from surgery or dealing with upper body weakness. One of its standout features is the exclusive bionic seat that offers superior comfort and support, complemented by a breathable backrest for a more enjoyable sitting experience. Constructed with thickened and widened aluminum alloy tubes, this rollator is exceptionally sturdy, supporting up to 450 pounds and ensuring a durable and reliable walking aid. Practical accessories, such as a large storage basket, cup holder, and cane or umbrella holder, make this walker a convenient choice for daily use, allowing users to keep their hands free. Equipped with high-quality, puncture-proof tires, the walker effortlessly navigates various terrains, providing excellent stability and anti-skid performance even on slippery surfaces. The SR450 is easy to assemble, designed with seniors in mind, and offers a straightforward setup process without the need for additional tools.